Guys, it's Charisma Mom, and today I thought I would do a really quick tutorial on kind of doing that one shadow eyeshadow look, and let's get started. I already have my eyes primed using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use my Merle Norman Knockout Nude palette. The color that I will be using today is called Beauty Mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a flat brush, and I'm going to lightly go in and tap that. And now I'm not trying to totally load up the brush, so I'm not really going in there and wiggling, just kind of tapping down, tapping any excess off. And I'm going to place that all over the eye very lightly. Just tapping in there. So it's going to kind of look something like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a dome brush, pencil brush, crease brush, whatever you want to call it, going into that same color again, and I'm just going to tap in there. Again, not really trying to load that brush up. Tap any excess off, and I'm going to go right into that crease, and I'm going to build that color up. And remember, when we have kind of older eyes, we want to make sure that we kind of make this imaginary line that we want to go out. We don't want to bring it down. Now over here, when we're going in, you can go down. You can follow your natural eye. But out here, we want to keep this straight. And I'm going to go up just a hair above my crease with that color, creating an illusion of a deeper crease or a bigger crease. But my main focus is kind of where the little fold in my eye is. I really am kind of focusing on that, and we'll go back in and keep working in that area to push that back. So again, just same color, gonna go back in, and we're just gonna keep building. All right, and as you can see, it looks like there's several different colors going on there, but there's not. We just literally have used that one color. Now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to get my little kind of a buffing brush or blender brush. This is the Anastasia, oh no, I'm sorry, this is the Merle Norman that came with this one. And so I'm gonna just go right above that, and good, again, going straight out, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out, softening that up. And as you can see, it looks like I've got highlighter color there. Making that straight line, straight out. And it's all muscle memory. After a while, once you get used to doing it, that it's just automatically how your hand will start to do your shadow. Okay, then we're going to use this as our eyeliner as well. I'm going to flip that brush around and use the very tip of that flat brush. I'm going to go in there and really load that up. Tap off any excess. And we're going to kind of pretend this line right here. And I'm gonna smoke that out. And this is a nice dense brush. It really does get in there if you want to do kind of like that flat work, highlighting work, get into the water line, into the shadow line. Okay. So this is pretty much it. Now we can finish this all out. We can put some eyeliner down, some false lashes, but this literally was using one color in that palette I personally like to use a lot of matte colors. For me personally, I think as you mature, the matte colors look better on a mature eye. They don't accent any kind of fine line and wrinkles. Since our eyes do kind of move more as we get older, you know, kind of going in there, you can see the extra skin. The matte colors just blend easier that way, in my humble opinion. All right, and if you guys haven't tried this, I know I plug Merle Norman all the time. I am not being sponsored by them, but I just think that they're an amazing makeup company that just does not get enough shout out. And if you're looking for some amazing kind of matte nudes with a few shimmers in there, this really is an amazing nude palette. In my personal opinion, it's up there with the Urban Decay one that they just kind of got rid of. But yeah, it's just, you can make many, many looks with this one. And I have, but I really like it. All right, so there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna get this edited and put it up, and we will be doing some more like this. If you liked this video, please comment in the section down below. If you didn't, go ahead and comment too, but please be kind. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because YouTube doesn't let anybody know anything anymore. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and God bless.